Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I've got 2 unboxings for you by Make Market. I've got 2 unboxings by Make Market by request. So one of them, my subscriber referred to them as table pumpkins. So I believe she means the pumpkin tablescape. I hope I got it right. So I'm going to unbox that one and the black cat one. So let's see, is this one the black cat? I believe it is. Yep, it's black cat. So I'm doing these 2 first because they are Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall themed. And then I will get into the Christmas requests. So there's still time to get your requests in of what you want me to unbox. Okay, we are going to do the Tablescape by Make Market. And it's actually called Pumpkin Tablescape. So you were close. Now Make Market, this is a 16 by 20. And what I really love about Michaels canvases is because they sell frames that this fits perfectly into. And they always have their frames, buy one, get one free, or buy 2, get one free. So there's always a deal to be found. And then you use their coupon. If there isn't a deal, use a coupon. Go on their website, use a coupon. Become a member of Michaels Rewards Program. Yeah, because you get special coupons through the email as well. So there's lots of ways to save money with Michaels. So this is a 16 by 20 with 31 colors. And Michaels now does put the DMC number. So this is an older kit. This was last year's fall Halloween kit. It was sold in their Halloween collection. So I have some people doing the yard out there. So you're going to hear some noise. Rum, 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 rum. All right, this is not much looking at it, but I've seen it done and it's absolutely gorgeous. So here are the colors. Brum, 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 brum. So, yeah. Brum, 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 brum. You can fast forward through all of this. So, there we go, they went away. So here are the colors, and let me turn this over so that you can see the colors better. 31 of them, and there are no special drills. But if you've been diamond painting a while, you probably have special drills in your stash. So see what I mean? There's some bright colors and some dark colors. Some more dark colors, but there is some bright ones in here, and it's going to liven it up. All right, let's move that over there. And let's see if I can move you closer. There we go. Yeah, always add some special drills if you have them. I do. Why not? I love the colors. They're very fall themed. And the bag for the drills has fallen all the way down to the floor. So, all right. Now this is a round, and with Michael's kits, the number's always at the bottom, so that tells you which way it goes. So these here are X, Y, and P primarily, and they're going to be this color, and P is number 16, and that color. So there is going to be brightness in this canvas. And the same with here. O is number 15, which is this color. So I have no doubt that this canvas is going to come out great. This is not on my agenda to do for this Thanksgiving. I may do it next year. I don't know. I don't even know if I will do this one. I may decide to use it as a giveaway at some point, but I don't know. I do like it, and I think it will come out. I think it'll come out very pretty, and it will be pretty in a frame in like for our restaurant. Oh, that's what I could do. I could do this, frame it, and give it to one of my favorite restaurants. That would be awesome. Oh, I love that idea. Especially if I know what I'm doing with a canvas. I enjoy doing them more if I know there's a purpose other than sitting under my bed. Because I have a lot of canvases I don't know what to do with. So, okay, we're going to turn this over and I'll put everything away. But right now we're going to go with my black cat, which is a Halloween theme. So we go fall into Halloween, and this is last year's. And I have a feeling I took the pen out of here, but it comes with a pen like this with a tip, but I took the tips off. And here is our cat. A lot of black. And it comes with the magnetic frame, which are very nice. And, oh, it has glow-in-the-dark drills. It's got 3 glow-in-the-dark drills. Wow, okay. The black is not glow-in-the-dark, but the eyes are glow-in-the-dark, and the moon is glow-in-the-dark. And then, yeah, a little bit of the cat's eye. And we got the moon. And what else? Yeah, it's just the cat's eye and the moon. Let's see the colors. Oh my. Look at these. These 3 are your glow-in-the-dark. And they will come out great. Let's see if I can get them too. Can you see that? Oh, wow. I should probably go out and check on the lawn people, huh? Can't really see that one. These kind of have a blue tint, bluish green tint. kind of hard with the light on. But these are still glowing. Oh my gosh. It's going to be pretty. The highlight all those glow-in-the-dark drills. Got some pink in there, which is going to be in the moon. And in here. It will be a pretty one, that is for certain. So with this kit, you get the pen and the frame and the glow-in-the-dark drills, and it retailed for $14.99, and I guarantee you I did not pay that. So this is the pen that comes with it. And here is your magnet. I'm not going to open the magnet, but when it's done, it will look like that. And that's everything that's going to glow. See the cat's eyes? So that is Black Cat. And look, it's not even that big. You should be able to finish that in what, 3 days? I mean, considering you have other things in life to do. So, about 3 days, 2-3 days. Yeah. So, I am pampered with diamonds, and I can't wait to do my gourds now to give them to a restaurant. Oh, I'm so excited for that idea. So remember, be kind to everyone.